Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated process of changing your birthday on LinkedIn. Maybe you want to keep your age a little more private, or perhaps you just entered it wrong when you first signed up. Whatever the reason, LinkedIn makes it pretty easy to adjust your birthday settings. So, let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the Me icon. It's usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access your settings and other account options. Next, you need to dive into the settings area. On the new screen, find and tap Settings, then look for Account Preferences. This section is where you can tweak various aspects of your LinkedIn account, including your personal information. Now, under the Profile Information section, you'll see an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Tap on this to proceed. Here, you'll find the details that make up your professional profile. On the subsequent screen, you'll see an Edit icon. Click on it, and then tap on Edit Contact Info. This will open a pop-up window displaying your contact details, including your birthday. All right, here comes the part you've been waiting for. In the Edit Contact Info window, you'll find the birthday bar. Simply tap on it and change the day to your desired date. Once you've updated the day, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your birthday day on LinkedIn. LinkedIn also allows you to control who sees your birthday information and who receives birthday notifications. To adjust these privacy settings on the desktop, click the Me icon, then View Profile, then Contact Info in your Introduction section. In the Edit Contact Info pop-up window, fill out the birthday date and click the visibility icon to select who can see your birthday. Your options range from only you to all LinkedIn members. So, whether you're a birthday enthusiast or prefer to keep things low-key, LinkedIn gives you the flexibility to manage your information as you see fit. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.